Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening. My neighbor has a rooster, which I'm sure you're going to hear in the background, but I don't mind it. Hopefully you don't either. Today's video is a garden tour, so I'm inviting all of you to come along and join me on a midsummer garden tour in New England. I'm in Zone 6A here in Northeast Connecticut, and we all work so hard in our gardens that sometimes we just need to take a little time and sit back and enjoy the beauty. So there's some beautiful things going on. I'm going to put up some names of some plants for you. Some of these gardens are cottage gardens, pollinator gardens, bird and butterfly gardens, and display gardens. Some of them you may have seen in some previous videos. I've been working in many of them for 20 plus years, and the crew does a lot of hard work maintaining them. So I hope you join me, come along and have some fun with me and just enjoy. So that's it for today's tour. I hope all of you enjoyed it and it provided you with some ideas and some inspiration and hopefully just a few minutes of serenity and enjoyment. So we have so many more gardening videos for you. We love doing these videos. And if you like this one, please go ahead and like it. I appreciate all of you so much. And subscribe to our channel and come on and grow with us.